Hey guys, welcome back to your review channel. Yes, we're doing an unboxing on this Giveneu coffee grinder. Yes, this is a very nice high-end quality coffee grinder. Comes with a stainless steel area to hold the coffee in. Really nice, simple, real good quality. This is really a high-end look. I'm telling you, nice quality. This cost you $300-$400, under 80 bucks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get to the unboxing. So before we get right to the unboxing about this coffee grinder, I just want to go over a couple things with you, a couple different specs, okay? It's a nice high-quality coffee grinder. Digital control, total control. You can do by cups or you can do by time. That's really important. It has a lot of functions with this. Also has 31 customized grinding settings, okay? So you can do from fine to coarse, everything right into the middle, everything you want. It's really super nice. It's got that extra cap that goes right on top of any kind of cappuccino maker. That goes right on top of that, like you can see there. Precision coffee bean holder, holds 10 ounces of coffee beans, 31 precision cutters like I told you, custom control. Really, I tell you, this is like a really super high-end coffee grinder. You can't go wrong. And it's a Burr coffee grinder, so it grinds slowly. So that's really important. Mess-free holder, the hopper comes off. I'm going to show you that all in the video. So let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it.
Okay, let's take a look at this new coffee grinder from Giveneu. Like I said, let's do the unboxing and take a look and see what we have inside the box here. Let's do the unboxing together and see how it's packed. First of all, the quality of the box is very nice. And I'll leave a link down below where you can find this coffee grinder for yourself. Take a quick look and see what's inside the box here. The first thing we see here is a manual. Okay, give you a new life experience, electronic coffee grinder. Please read instructions before using. Instructions are very well laid out, very easy to read. Big print, I like that. That's an A+ right there. As we all get older in life, sometimes the print gets so damn small you can't read it. So how to set it up. And let's take a look at that, and all the instructions, real simple to lay out. I have to tell you, this is really very well laid out, very easy to understand. The biggest problem people have is they don't read the instructions and they look at photos, and I do the same thing. I'm guilty of that. So this is nice and easy to read, and the photos are very well illustrated. So this is a really nice layout. Gives you all the instructions, timer, stop, start. We'll take a look at all that in a minute, and also thank you for choosing and customer service card. Okay. Put that to the side. So inside is an egg crate packing, which is good for packing, so that's important. So when you get the item shipped to you, you do not want to return, you don't want to ship to you broken. So that's number one. So that's good. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Take the box out of the way. Let's open this up. Take that out of the way. And first impressions, it's very well packed. It's a super nice presentation, so that I do like. Okay, questions? I'll tell you, it's heavy. It's not cheaply made, that's for sure. That's number one. So that I do like. So it's not cheaply made. It's very well put together. It's got a nice little stainless steel. You can see here. So you put the coffee grinds go in here, right? So you make your coffee grinds, you put them in here, and then you add them to your filter and your coffee, however you make it, either cold pressed or however you're doing your coffee. Let's take a look at the top here. Let's take this plastic off here on top. Look at the top here. Let's take this plastic off here on top. Take that off. Let's move all this stuff to the side. I'm very excited. This is a nice one. Very, very cool. Warning before assembling Burr, make sure no coffee grinds look low. Okay, fine. Here's a little brush here to clean out the extra coffee grinds. Okay, here is so you can turn this, right? So this is all your settings here. You can do from coarse 31, which is really kind of cool, okay, to medium, which I like. I'm kind of a medium to the coarse kind of person, to really fine for espressos and that kind of, I think even steamed you can even do with this. So that's kind of nice. Take a look at that. It has a lock here in the back. So really kind of cool how this works. Now I did it in the opening just to see. So unlock the hopper. You just press the button. It's spring loaded. So this hopper comes off. Take a look at that again. So you pop it on with a lock. And this locks it, and to unlock it, you just press it, and then how you unlock the hopper, okay? And then you can see inside here itself. So you can see here the actual grinding itself. Get some information inside there about how to empty the hopper, clean some of the beans out if you have to. It does come with a cleaning brush. You can get in there. If you want to clean out the grinding, what happens, this little device comes out here. This actually comes right out. So you open this up here, it's a little handle. You just twist it, okay? And this pops right out here. And you can get this out of the way, and you can get inside to clean inside here, so which is kind of cool. This is really nice quality construction. This is all metal, which is really nice. Pop right back in, and you lock it in, and then you just put the stack down again, So you can actually get inside and actually clean inside the actual cutter itself. And again, this pops right out, real simple. You can see inside there, nice and easy to access everything. This pops right back in, you twist it and you lock it down again. So real easy to use. I like this. Nice touch, stainless steel. That way if you drop it, you don't have to worry about breaking it. Some of these have a little plastic, not even plastic, they come with ceramic sometimes and they break. All right, simple, easy, looks like an easy controllable display. We'll take a look at that real quick. So far, all of my first impressions, this is a super high-end looking machine. I like it. If it works as well as it looks, we're in business. All right, let's get to put some coffee in it and see how it works. Fill the hopper. Again, the hopper holds around 10 ounces of coffee bean, which is really nice. And again, don't forget to look at the instructions. Instructions are really easy and very simple to understand. So let's fill the hopper with some coffee. Okay. I love fresh ground coffee. I don't know how many of you grind coffee at home. So if you like fresh ground coffee, leave some comments down below. Tell me what you use. Tell me what you like. Tell me what kind of brand of coffee. So let's get to grind some coffee. Let's see how this works. Pick out how you want your coffee made. Okay, we have fine, medium, coarse. So it depends what you like, and it depends on the actual taste that you like. So it has a timer of how many cups it'll make and also how long it'll grind the coffee for. So that's how the timer works. Again, very simple and easy to understand. So I like drip coffee myself. That's what I like, drip coffee. I'm old school. Drip coffee is simple. Let's see, so grinding settings, it says between 11 and 20. Grind size medium, so I do want medium, so I'm on the medium right here. So that's the grind size that I want. And let's see, and grind settings, that's it. Okay, coffee type. Okay, cool. Very easy. So basically we just have to get into the actual grinding of the coffee, and let's take a look and smell. That's the best part. You know, when you get the oils released, and the slow burr grind is really important. What happens is just it slowly grinds the coffee, not too fast. You don't want to burn the coffee up, and you don't want to cook the coffee. So the burr grinding is a little bit slower, so just a little bit longer, just a few seconds longer, but it actually makes a better grind for the coffee brewing, and that's why the burr grinders are so nice. All right, let's get into this and let's set this up and let's see how the coffee looks. I have it set for how many cups of coffee, so I'm going to make 1, 2, 3 cups of coffee. I'll actually make 4 cups of coffee. I'm just going to hit the power button, and that's going to grind the coffee. So this will actually grind 4 cups of coffee worth of coffee, basically. Then when it's done, it'll stop automatically. There you go. That is done. That is pretty simple. Let's see what we have here. That smells really good. Hopefully you can see this. I'll put it in my hand here so you can see what we have here. This is actually ground really perfectly. Right in the middle, between fine and coarse. Like I said, this is perfect. And it smells fantastic. Oh, nothing like fresh ground coffee, and it's perfect consistency. Let's take a look here. It's pretty quiet, I have to tell you. It's very actually quiet considering what's out there. Some of these coffee makers the grinders make a racket. So this does not. So this made 4 cups of coffee, medium, really quick, really quiet. You can leave the hopper full of coffee here, real simple to use. This is a nice coffee grinder. It really is. I'll leave a link down below where you can pick up yours. Nice quality brand. You'd pay over $250 to $300 for this quality and build, in my opinion. So take my advice in your review channel. Do so. It does come with the cleaning brush, like I said before. And that's it. All right, guys, that's it for me. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of this really cool, nice, innovative, nice looking, nice quality build coffee grinder from Giveneu. All right, guys, appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you at the next review.